The Exposr food scanner producer. The Exposr food product scanner app is designed so you can actually scan your food to see what's in it, whether there's a bunch of additives, whether it's healthy, and it's basically going to give you a rating once you actually get this app on what's in your food and what you're actually trying to get out of using this app. Whether you just want to feel better, know what's in your food, just lower your intake of these foods, or just remove processed foods entirely. And you can see right here, it's going to be personalized to you once you've actually gone through this step process to actually set up the app. And when you're actually setting up the app, it's basically going to get you to hand over everything to this app so you can actually know what you're talking about. You can see right here, it's basically rage baiting you when you're setting up the app, saying that this stuff is bad while other stuff is good. And basically this app is designed for the average person. It's not designed for athletes, not designed for people fasting or on a longevity journey. It's basically just designed for the general population. And basically there is a subscription plan for this app, so that's like a completely throwaway when it comes to this app. And personally, what I'd recommend using instead of using this app that does not cost any money is I would get this app called Yuka Food Scanner, which will basically again give you ratings, but it does not cost any money, and there's a lot more information and detail, and it's a lot more professional, less spammy AI made just on this app like so. But that's my honest take on this app, and it's a complete scam and rip off in my opinion, based off the reviews I've read.